Innovation and technology is moving at such a rate, it's really hard to keep up at times. And today I'm at Rugby at the home of ZEISS UK, and I'm joined by Al. Now, in metrology, again, the advancements in technology innovation have progressed so rapidly. Why is this? Why is there such a need for evolution and innovation?
Well, it's an interesting question, G. I mean, innovation and technology has always been at the heart of what ZEISS does. ZEISS is a very interesting company to work for because it's a foundation rather than a limited company. So it does mean that it does invest a lot more in research and development and innovation than most normal companies does. And that's why it's such an exciting place to work. There's always new things coming out. And of course, there's a strong history of innovation in the hardware and the technology, and that continues. And we're seeing more and more coming out with multi-sensor systems and CMMs that can exchange heads automatically and access a whole range of different sensor types. And other areas that are growing dramatically really, I suppose, are linked to the shape of the industries that we work in nowadays. You know, emerging areas such as battery technology, additive manufacturing, medical device, plastics and so on are driving a lot of the non-destructive testing.
In regards to the products that you offer, why did the customers, need to embrace them to remain competitive?
Well, I don't think there's any secret that parts are becoming more and more accurate, so tolerances are becoming tighter, demands on workflows are becoming tighter. So a lot of the innovations are really around that sort of side of things, the improvements around accuracy. And more than that, though, it's the wider workflow. So it's thinking not just about the measurement of the parts, but the handling of them, the cooling of them, the environmental control that comes around them and so on.
So there you have it, a little bit of an insight into innovation and technology from ZEISS.